Hello everyone! Today we learn about makeup brushes and their use. Small foundation brush. Apply primer, moisturizer, concealer. Foundation brush. Liquid foundation, cream foundation, blending creams, dense application. Contour brush. Angle contour, cheeks, pack dense color. Small contouring brush. Nose contour, lip contour, and small contour. Blush brush. Apply blush, bronzer, powder to set. Powder setting brush, buffing brush. Cheek contour, blending cheeks. Large powder. Powder foundation, setting powder, blend cheeks, body contour. Fine brush. Apply highlighter, gentle contouring, clean flout. Angle brow. Define brows, face shape area, clean edges. Brow lashes brush. Comb shape brow. Apply mascara. Apply concealer on eyes, highlighter, color corrector. Fluffy blending, softly blending, eyeshadow blending. Crease brush. Define outer crease. Apply cream eyeshadow, highlighter. Blending eyeshadow brush. Blend outer corners, soft crease. Precious shaders. Pick intense colors, full lead coverage. Angle shading brush. Blend shade under eyes. Create soft lip blending. Eyes liner. Gel cream eyeshadows. Smoky eyes liner. Clean edges. Small angle brush. Pencil brush. Precious detail. Inner corner shades. Blend under eyes. Pencil shader. Precious detail, then shaders, then under eyes. Thank you for watching. Take care.